7 Natural ways to fight psoriasis. 1. Detox. People with psoriasis often have an overload of toxins in their skin. That's why it's important that at least once a year you cleanse your liver, kidneys, and intestines, which are the organs responsible for removing toxins from your body. This will help your skin not bear such a burden. You can find many different types of supplements in herbalist shops for cleansing the body. Choose the one that's best suited to your lifestyle. What's crucial when you do a cleanse is to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially on an empty stomach, to keep your intestines functioning properly. A cleanse can last between 15 days to a month, and ideally you would do one in spring and again in autumn. 2. Regulate your intestines. Your intestines are an organ system that is closely related to the skin and immune system, which directly influence psoriasis. That's why you need to be attuned to any intestinal disorder that you may suffer from. If this is the case, consider what treatment is most convenient for you. Constipation: flax and chia seeds that have been soaked, prunes, kiwis, apples with their peel, seawater. Diarrhea: green tea, charcoal from vegetable sources, white clay for consumption. Alternating states of constipation and diarrhea: kuzu, psyllium husk, agar-agar. 3. Avoid dairy and gluten. Psoriasis also has an intimate relationship with what you eat, in particular with any food intolerances. People who have psoriasis may even have a food intolerance without realizing it, because their symptoms might be confused with other disorders like migraines, headaches, indigestion, intestinal problems, anxiety, and so on. The most common food intolerances are gluten, found in cereals like wheat, and lactose in milk. We recommend eliminating these products from your diet for a month to see if your condition improves. 4. Portion control. Some people have found that they can effectively fight psoriasis when they follow this excellent little piece of advice: controlling their portions. This means not eating any more than you need to. Instead, stop eating when you've reached the point that you could have more, but you feel satisfied. One trick to accomplishing this is to make a new dish each day, either by combining different foods or choosing a single ingredient, and only eating what's on the plate. Eat slowly, chewing and savoring each bite. Afterward, you can enjoy a digestive tea. 5. Take advantage of seawater. Seawater can be miraculous, both topically and orally. People who have the opportunity to swim in the sea have noticed how this benefits them, helping to fight psoriasis and improve the health of their hair. If this isn't possible where you live, you should obtain seawater to apply topically to your skin through a spray bottle at least once a day. 6. Licorice baths. When you need something more effective to fight psoriasis, you can bathe in an infusion of concentrated licorice, which has anti-inflammatory and pain-killing effects. In fact, licorice is known as the natural cortisone. The water should be hot but not uncomfortable, and you should soak for at least half an hour. 7. Supplements for psoriasis. There are 3 main supplements that will never fail to fight psoriasis. Brewer's yeast: it's an excellent cleanser for the skin that's rich in vitamins and minerals. Flaxseed oil: this vegetable oil is rich in essential fatty acids. Nettle: this herb has powerful cleansing properties for the skin. You can consume it fresh or dried, in capsule form or as a tea. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.